Working with Alpha, Anywhere Applications and encountered an ADB file. This is a database file from the Alpha Anywhere Rapid Application Development Platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming. And it features my favorite single P5F file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. P5F files are uncommon extension-labeled files with no widely verified file type description. They may contain project, device, or application-specific data depending on the software that created them. P5F files should be identified from their file signature, folder context, and originating application. Do not assume the file is interchangeable with other P-series formats. The specific reading module for P5F files is provided by FileViewPro from Solvusoft. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows cannot interpret defunct formats, so restoration apps or converters must be used. To ensure success, right-click the P5F file and select Open With. Run the file through FileViewPro if it is installed. If it's not present, choose another application. Sometimes older programs work best. If the P5F file is still giving you trouble, relax. If the P5F file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, review folder context. Look for nearby files with matching names or timestamps, then identify the software used in that folder. Project files often depend on companion resources. Next, inspect metadata. Use file properties, a text editor, or a hex viewer on a copy to check for embedded names, version numbers, or readable paths that reveal the format. Finally, avoid forced conversion. Do not upload or convert a P5F file unless you know the format. Use the original application or ask the sender for an export in a standard format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.